The star of today's video is going to be this space heater. It's one of those infrared types. It is a Lifesmart 1500 watt. This particular one is model S2PC 1000. 1500 watt, 120 volt heater. The problem I'm having is I plug it in and this light comes on, which is your main switch, but the display went completely blank and it turned off while I was using it. So let's break into this thing and see if we can figure out what happened here. Put something underneath it here. I'm going to turn it over on its lid because it seems like all the hardware is underneath what is now on the top. I see hardware all over the place. A few cobwebs here. It's well used. All right. I see screws all here. And these plastic sides look like they all come off. So let's go get some screws. I'm going to use a power driver. Of course, isn't required, but for the sake of it, because I already have one, I'm going to use it. Did that get me where I needed to get? I was hoping this whole carcass would come off of here. How does that top come off of there? Do I have to take all these out too? Nah. This carcass slips out of here somehow. There it goes. Okay. We're into one side. Fan still seems to turn fine, so that didn't short it out. I see in here the connectors for the lamps. Nothing burned. Good. I see the circuit board here. Don't see anything burned there. Don't see any fuses on it. I'll get you a close-up just in case you're looking at yours. See some diodes there. See a resistor there. Don't see much there. There might be some stuff on that board, but nothing I can tell. All right. Here's a micro switch. That likely is for tip over protection. I hear something clicking and it's got a ball on it. It's probably a weight right there. cleaning all my hardware that I just about knocked over. I see something of interest. That's why I'm taking all these screws out. Something that would stop it, because I could hear the tip over switch still working. I didn't check continuity, but I'm going to assume it's working. The switch itself likely wouldn't switch to load. It would be more of that sending power to a relay, not that little micro switch switching an entire space heater on and off. One more. Yeah, that's what I was hoping to find. There is 2 thermal switches, and one, you see that button in the middle there? Why is this focusing on that, not this? That button in the middle is a manual reset, and if these get too hot, for example, if you have a bunch of lint like I do, now I've got this unplugged, just gonna go in there and see. We'll see it live. I'm not sure. I heard something click, but I don't know if that was something metal other than that, or that thing did just reset. So now it'll be interesting. Let's plug it in and see if that was tripped out. All right, we got some power here. That's the one that was working before. Now that beep just told me, yep, we're back on. Yep, it's firing up. We should see some orange glow here in a minute, just so you folks at home can see. Starting to see it. Starting to see it. Good. Now these, if you don't know about these heaters, you turn it off. It first turns the power off to the element, and then it will run the fan as long as necessary to get the temperature down. I think that's what the other one is this one is over temp, and this one is fan cycle. Make sure the fan is always on, and don't run it with the door open like I just did, because you're going to superheat those bulbs. I just got it just enough so you can see it, and then I'm shutting it down. Because if you don't have airflow across those bulbs, you're going to trip the thing again. I think that's what happened on mine. All right, I got it all back together. Took the screen out, cleaned that so we don't have more airflow, lack of airflow. I hereby declare that space heater Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching. Every video I make is free to everyone, every day. Nothing to sell here. But if you do want to donate to the channel, first of all, the first things you can do for free, subscribe to the channel. If you can give me a like in the down below there, maybe even comment on it if it helped you out. And if you have the means, and only if you have the means, if you could go down to the S button there and add some money there to donate to the channel, I would much appreciate that. And thanks for watching.